Good morning, students. Today we are doing experiment number 2 to find the resistance of a given standard resistor using a meter bridge. So materials required are meter bridge, resistance box, jockey, one-way key, wire, galvanometer, cell, and sandpaper and connecting wires also. Now see, this is the circuit. Now this is the wire AC and this is the scale attached to it. In the first gap we put resistance box, in the second gap we put the unknown resistance which we are going to find. Now from this A end we are connecting a battery, the positive terminal. You can connect positive or negative, that will only decide the direction of current. At the other end of the battery with a key, and the other end of the key is connected to this point C. Now see, this is the theory part. To find the unknown resistance, X equal to 100 minus L by L into R. L is the length of the meter bridge wire where galvanometer shows no deflection, and R is the value of resistance from the resistance box. Now see, this is the experimental setup. This is the wire of the meter bridge which is attached on this meter scale. Now here it is 0, you can find, and 100. Now as we have readings in the upper scale, we have below, and 0 starting from this side and 100 this side. We will be only taking the reading from the upper scale. Now in the first gap you can see, this is the first gap, this resistance box is connected. The other gap, this standard resistor. Now I am using 20 ohm so that every time we can verify whether the unknown resistance is approximately 20 or not. It can be 19, it can be 21, like that. And from the middle a galvanometer is connected, no need of positive or negative, we are connecting this red terminal, and from this negative we have connected this jockey. Now we put this key and we will see whether the connection is correct or not. We will see the deflection is towards the right. Now we take out the resistance infinite and we will see whether the direction of current has changed or not. See, now the deflection in the galvanometer is towards left. So the direction of the current has changed when we have taken out the infinite resistance. Now you can see it is towards the right. We have taken out infinity and the direction has changed. So our connection is correct. Now what is the process of doing the experiment? We take out this 20 ohm from here, because this is 20, we take out 20. And we will see at what position this deflection, the galvanometer shows 0 deflection. See, we will find a place where the deflection is 0. And we will note down the reading. And you can see the reading also, and the reading that I had already sent, and it was 51.2. So see, the galvanometer deflection is 0 and it is 51.2. So we find the value of L, and then we can also find the value for 100 minus L, and we will take out the unknown resistance. Now for the second reading, what we have to do, we will take out 21, 20 plus 1, so 1 more, 21. Again we will find the deflection, it is to be 0. See, 0. We will take the reading. After that, taking this reading L again, now we will take out the resistance 19, 10, 5, 15. So you can see this is 10 ohm, 5, 15, 17 to 19. So now 19 now. Again we will find a place where the galvanometer is showing less, galvanometer is showing no deflection, 0. And we will take that reading. And it is around 47.9, that is the value is 47.9. You can see the reading, it is 47.9. See, 47.9, there is 0 deflection. If you move a little, there is deflection. This side there is deflection, and so the reading is 47.9. So for 19, when we take out 19 ohm from the resistance box, the reading is 47.9. When we have taken out 20, it is 51.2, and we have taken out 21, it is 50.9. Now see this table. We have already seen for 20 it was 51.2 L, so 100 minus L is 48.8. The value of unknown is 19.1. For 19 it is 20.7, and for 21 it is 20.3. You take out the mean resistance, and this is the value. This is all about this experiment. It's very easy. The first thing is to connect the circuit properly. Check whether the circuit is correct or not by closing all these resistances. You see whether the deflection is left or right, and then again you take out infinity and see the deflection has changed or not. This is all. Thank you.